Yan mga lods, dito tayo sa loob ng GMC, sa cowl ng GMC, kasi magkakabit tayo ng makina ngayon. Boss, this one, the lifter, the one too much broke, and then this one only little. I need to remove the engine. Maybe the camshaft also carbon, also broken, and then the head, see, need makrata, sealant, lassen.